Hey guys, we're looking at percentile again. This is question number 6, and we're working percentile with a stem and leaf plot, and we've seen a few of these now. This stem and leaf plot presents data collected during a statistical study. We're looking at the age of participants at a particular fundraiser, and we want to know what is the percentile of someone who is 44 years old. So our target value is right there, someone who's 44. And in order to go ahead and crunch that formula, there's a few numbers we need to be aware of, right? The number below, the number of, and the total number. So we'll first start off by finding those 44s. So I'm going to come down to where the tens are a 4. And we see here the first 3 people are 41 years old, and right over here are our 44-year-olds. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So we have 4 people equal to 44, and if you count up all of these numbers here, these are the people who are lower than 44 years of age, right? From 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, all the way up to 42 over here are the people that are below that 44-year age target. Turns out when you count all of these up that you get 40. There are 40 of them in there. So we have 40 below 44, 4 of them at 44, and the total number of data out of the entire stem and leaf plot, if you count up every single one, is 65. So those are the 3 core numbers that we need for that percentile calculation. Percentile is equal to the number of values below 40 plus the number of 44s there are divided by 2, so that's 4 over 2. Then we're going to divide the whole thing by 65, and we're done that, we'll times it by 100. I'm going to get rid of that fraction in there first and rewrite it nice and pretty. So percentile is equal to 40 plus 4 over 2. 4 over 2 is 2. This whole thing here will come to 2. So 40 plus 2 will be 42 out of 65, which I'll then times by 100. So we come over to the calculator, and we'll go 42, divide that by 65, which gives us that crazy decimal right there, times it by 100 is equal to 64.615, etc., etc. And we remember, always, 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 when we're calculating percentile, that whatever decimal we get, I think, what did we say here, 64.6, 1, 5, 3, blah, blah, blah. Regardless of what that decimal is, we are always going to round up, always. Even if that was a 0.01, we're rounding that bad boy up. So we're looking here at 65 as the percentile, so 65th percentile as your answer. And that's it for number 6.